You can improve your English. So first is read, read any books, and every day 2 to 3 pages. Even you can also read news.
Firstly, every day you should write 2 pages every day, and
Hello everyone, I am Zaid.
I am Rehan.
So today we are going to learn that how can we improve our English.
Firstly, I would like to tell tell about some tips. How should learn English? How should do this thing? Firstly, if any one person want to learn, you can do. You should do this thing. Follow. And firstly, every day you should write 2 pages every day, and you read you read any book, any story, any drama. Depend on your thought, you can choose. But this work should should do every day, and you would improvement 100%. And if any one person read any book, uh, you can get some things like any difficult sentences, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Uh, you 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 should try to speak, and lots of time you can speak, then you would be improvement in future, and easily you can speak, and if you would do thing every day, and uh, you would changes. Thank you.
So I would like to give you some points so that you can improve your English. So first is read, read any books, and every day 2 to 3 pages. Even you can also read newspaper. And after reading, try to translate Hindi and find some words, vocabularies, and make sentences for those. And second is speak English. It doesn't matter that are you speaking wrong or right. And you can also shoot your video so that you can find your difficulties, that where are you mistaken, and improve your English. Thank you.